Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing extremely well. So, if SQL joins confuse you, then this lead code problem will finally make them crystal clear. So, in less than 10 minutes, we will solve an Amazon, Google, Adobe, Bloomberg, and Microsoft interview questions that asked by the top product based companies. So, let's do it. So, today's problem is lead code 1068 product sales analysis 1. Got it? So we have a two tables. Okay. The sales table store the product IDs, year, quantity, and price. Okay. And the product table store the product name, and the corresponding the each product ID. Okay. So, but task is simple. For every sale, return the product name, year, and price. As you can see in the example part, product name, year, and ph we will return using from these two tables. This means we need data from both tables. Okay. So notice something important here. The sales table doesn't contain the product name. Okay. Means sales, what I have told you, I told you that the sales table doesn't contain the product name. The sales table doesn't contain the product name. Now it only has the product ID, as you can see. No product name, only product ID. So the product table contains both product ID and product name, as you can see. Since both tables share the same product ID, with a simply connect them using an inner join. Okay. Once they connect it, selecting the required columns become very easy, as you know. Got it? So first, write down the query part. After writing the query part, we will solve the problem, break down the query in a small parts, and understand it very clear. Okay, so let's write. So first we will write down the select product underscore name from year and price. Let's make them simple. I hope it's clear. Now join both tables. Okay, let's join. Let's join. Okay, from sales as join product P on ash dot product id equals to p dot product id. Okay, that's literally it. That's literally it. Okay, since every sales table has a matching product, no, and inner join it's perfect choice. That's why I have applied the inner join here. Got it? So let's run. Okay, accept. So let's discuss the time complexity. So the time complexity approximately is a big O of n because it's depending on the indexing now. This is the optimal solution and exactly what interviews as expected. So yeah, and that's how you solve the lead code 1068 product shell analysis using SQL joins. And if you are preparing for the Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Bloomberg, and you or Uber SQL interviews, make sure to subscribe because I'm solving the complete lead code SQL interview sheet with a simple explanation. So see you in next video, and thank you so much for watching this video.